A Pedini's kitchen means daily excitement, something unique that transmits the feeling of experiencing your kitchen any time of day. Each project is born from the genius of intuition to transform the matter into original expressions of a contemporary way of living. Carefully chosen materials, planning, and design best express a Pedini imprint, handmade in Italy, achieved with the undisputed professionalism of a company that has always worked passionately to accomplish the highest objectives. Pedini is the industrial evolution of an artisanal enterprise which continues to be the protagonist in the history of the kitchen design for over 60 years. Its path began in 1957 in the heart of the Marche region, where the company still has its plant. Located in the center of Italy, in Lucrezia del Cartacceto, next to the Adriatic Sea, Pedini actively covers international markets in every continent. In Miami, we have brought all the Italian expertise, wide range of designs, and high quality and customizable products to our branch office, which is ready to satisfy the needs of our South Florida clientele. The proof of quality of Pedini's products is found in numerous recognitions received from international institutes. They have acknowledged the technological evolution of the company's manufacturing procedures and the careful selection of environmentally friendly materials and components. We have considered the feedback received by the LCA, and we have added the Made in Italy certification. The result is a product with low environmental impact that has the important added value of being entirely Italian. Therefore, imbued with qualities that are worldwide recognized as the excellence of workmanship, creativity, and style. Every Pedini kitchen is accompanied by a 2-year certificate of guarantee to cover any risk. In addition, the customer can extend their certificate for 8 more years by providing the proof of purchase within 30 days from the installation. This makes Pedini a unique brand in the market, as we offer our customers a 10-year guarantee. Pedini's technical department with highly qualified staff is ready to evaluate requests and realize special furniture items, because behind the attention to every detail are experienced planners, designers, and carpenters working together to create the ideal environment for their clientele. Each Pedini project is a perfect balance between art and technique. Suggestive materials, forms, and colors are found in our collections. They rely on the hands of the best Italian designers who are in constant search for functional beauty and to make each case a quality case. The Eco line is a perfect example of integrated design by Domenico Paolucci. A project that aims to interpret significant human needs, which then allows us to regain possession of the essential balance to express ourselves. The distinctive mark of the Eco line is a clean look. Each project is conceived with clarity from the beginning to give the kitchens a rational style that imposes itself over fashion. The versatility of the Eco kitchens is found in the ability to range from linear compositions to more complex ones, and the possibility to choose between minimal solutions making use of doors with or without a handle. The brightness of the display cases and the beauty of the quartz surfaces of the tops become the body and soul of a kitchen. Inspired. Purity and simplicity are not diminished by the harmonious similarities and contrasts between gloss lacquers and the woods. Eco offers limited material of 18mm, allowing it to have the same cost of a kitchen produced by a medium-level company, but with the Pedini quality. Designed by Alfredo Zingario and Domenico Paolucci, Arche Materica marks the contemporary spirit of a kitchen that goes beyond the concept of space as containment implicit in modern decor. A cosmopolitan kitchen collection where the value of integration can be felt. Arche Materica is a multiple reality where spaces interact with the forms, technique with emotion, and practicality with aesthetics. The beauty of this project lies in the possibility of having a visual impact, with great elegance and streamlined functionality. Arque is a symbol of the integration between materials and opening systems with a groove or a handle. The game of shadows in chiaroscuro brings out the matter of the surfaces that characterize a kitchen and make it alive. The Titanio vertical handle becomes a distinctive mark of the door, giving it a creative three-dimensionality, as its 30-degree angle makes it practical and simple to use. Materials are combined and lacquer colors are alternated in different kinds of finishes, which make the ecomalta, glass, and stainless steel surfaces. The design and the texture of the wood become a distinctive sign for those who find their roots in nature. The strength and beauty of the Arque wood is expressed throughout distinctive grains with warm and charming colors. It comes in 13 extraordinary types, which united with the wide selection of our finishes of 22mm, allow this project to be highly customizable, making every kitchen distinctive and sophisticated. The design is the expression of architect Domenico Paolucci's experience. He gave this project a soul capable of crossing trends with renewed expressive ability. The curved line is undoubtedly the primary detail that gives Dune and Artica the Pedini imprint, an unmistakable symbol of the company's design research. Who wants a curved kitchen can only choose a Pedini kitchen, the original curve. Kitchens open in the concept of space. Open in the vision of a cosmopolitan design which allow the use of curved components to create variable inner dimensions. Shaped drawers and deep drawers find new spaces to store utensils and groceries, making it easier being without corners. The balance between taste, style, and function is exalted by refined aesthetic choices. The opening of the doors is ensured by a molded aluminum profile that runs throughout the length of the kitchen. The lacquer doors offer exceptional impact and resistance to chemical agents thanks to our special technology which provides 6 layers of paint. The proposal of materials of Dune and Artica extend from lacquered finishes, glossy, matte, embossed, and metal, to different kinds of worktops like Lapitec, marble, granite, Corinne, and quartz. Arts and crafts refers to the combination vintage innovation, intended as a vocation towards the past which sets a new lifestyle in design. The concept planning of the collection that involves minimalism is by Alfredo Zingario, internationally renowned architect for interior design. Maximum customization to create a modern kitchen studio where the elements thought in the concept planning of the broke-up kitchen can merge and integrate perfectly in a whole space dedicated to conviviality and total living. The broke-up kitchen is identified by working areas and their connected elements. A cooking and washing up area, both in an island and on a wall. Storage, appliances, and snack preparation areas, plus functional cabinets made of sheet metal. Luxury is a concept that transcends all social conventions because it relates to freedom. Freedom to interpret material or a piece of furniture with imagination, making the object something original. Natural essences, Pharaoh's features, solid wood, and Grès porcelain surfaces characterize a style that takes 2 distinctive and complementary directions, urban chic and rustic charm. Metal's on the scene in 2 finished oxidized by time, and its expressive power integrates with the Grès porcelain in different woods. This creates many sensorial combinations that are recalling of the past with a look to the future. Custom storage and efficient modes of organization are key elements in contemporary interior design. That is why Pedini also offers a complete line of accessories designed to meet even the most discriminating person's unique and constantly evolving needs. If you're looking to bring the design, quality, and functionality of your kitchen into the bedroom, search no further. You've come to the right place. Integrate flawless storage and organization solutions with Pedini, Miami's expertly crafted and luxury custom closets. Whether for residential or commercial, we offer you the convenience of in-home measuring for walk-in closets, doors, and cabinetry. We have many options and use a wide assortment of materials and variety of colors to match your existing decor. Each closet is created to make the most of usable space and complement modern aesthetics. We design storage systems and mechanisms with accessibility, appearance, and organization in mind. We combine style trends, closet innovations, and flexible systems to achieve a new level of organization. Our designs ensure that your closets express personal style, yet integrate with the rest of your interiors. Styled with refined detail and sophisticated finishes, your closet systems will meld seamlessly with your daily life.